Alright guys, and welcome to this video. So on this video we are going to be talking about the GiveRep airdrop. Alright, so I've made a couple of videos about this project, teaching you guys how you can be able to earn points on this project. Those points are going to be converted to your actual token later, which you can then sell and cash out from. But still, this is still the period for you to actually accumulate as many points as you can. So on this video we are particularly going to be talking about how you can be able to connect your wallet right here. If you want the video about how you can be able to earn points and all you need to know basically about this project for you to start earning, I'll be leaving the link right there on the video description box so that you can check the video and learn how to start farming this airdrop. So like I said, on this video we are going to be talking about how to connect your wallet. So the first process involved in connecting your wallet is for you to go ahead and get your install your SUI wallet extension, which has rebranded right now to Slush. All right, so the link is also going to be right there on the video description box. So right now this is the website right here where you are required to add Slush to your browser extension. On this video I'm actually using Mrs. browser. You can use Mrs. browser or Kiwi browser. If you are using Chrome browser on a mobile phone, you may not be able to add it to your extension, so it is better advised that you use Kiwi browser or Mrs. browser, or you can just open the website straight in your mobile wallet app. All right, so I'm using Mrs. browser, so right now I'm going to be able to earn this Slush to among my extensions. So like I said, the link is going to be right there on the video description box. So you can see already I have added it already. That is why it is saying remove from extension. So right now guys, the first thing you need to do is simply add it right there. Once you have added it, they need to come over here to your extensions. Then you need to go ahead and set it up. All right, so this is it right here. So you need to go ahead and set it up. You can either import your already existing wallet, or you can go ahead to create a new wallet using your email. All right, so over here this is my wallet right here already set up. So for me to be able to connect the wallet, I now have to go back to the GiveRep website and then click on connect wallet. So once you click on connect wallet, it's going to be showing you list of available wallets right here, but the most recommended one is SUI wallet, which is Sway. And of course you know that SUI wallet has rebranded to Slush. That's why we're having Slush right here. And over here guys, when you click on view more, you can see they are going to be giving you list of other wallets available. Go ahead and click on Slush wallet because you have already added it to your browser extension. So I will click on connect right now. So once I click on connect, you can see automatically it is going to pop up like this, and they are going to be asking me to approve this connection. So I'll click on approve right now, and once I click on approve, immediately we are going to be having this message saying that our wallet has been connected and you can disconnect it if you want to. So make sure that you connect your wallet, because this could be eligibility criteria telling you something like if you didn't connect your wallet on certain period of time, you may not be able to claim your airdrop. Though that's just, I'm just talking about that, but you need to go right now and connect your wallet to ensure your safety. All right, so this is the latest update right now about GiveRep. So if you have any question, let me have it right there on the comment section. This is just the information that I need to pass to you guys right now. All right, so thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video dropping very soon.